Good morning, everyone. This is Isabel. I'm in Barcelona at Mobile World Congress. It's day 2, and I'm here in the company of 2 of my very good friends and partners, Riad and James from Xona Consulting. These 2 guys are experts in AI, I can tell you. They've been working in AI for many, many years, and I'm very privileged to be sitting with you guys. So AI, as I said, has been around for a long time, but I feel that there's a lot of cool stuff happening that can be applied to telecom in particular. But maybe I'm wrong. What do you think, guys? Is it the time for AI now?
It's definitely, so just a bit of context, I guess I've been working personally in AI for 3 decades. So my first job title was AI software engineer, working with Mitsubishi back in 1989. And so we've seen a lot of revolutions in AI, and the current hype cycle of AI is pretty valid and exciting. And from a telco perspective, we're seeing the first big applications of AI in the form of chatbots, intelligent conversational UI, user interfaces. We're also seeing a lot of applications in looking at the configurations of networks and detecting anomalies using deep learning and a variety of AI techniques. So it's a very exciting time to be working in AI and to see it really making a difference in the day-to-day operations of telecommunication networks and the applications built on these.
Riad, what's your take?
Just like Jimmy, spent a lot of time doing AI, since the early days, and we've seen the ups and downs of AI, obviously. A few things changed the last, let's say, 5+ years. 2 things in particular. One, the data is sort of available, plus you have the frameworks to get it, and the cost of running those data is basically lower. So AI had a better chance of showing good results. As far as telecom in particular and all the telecom ecosystem, I think 2 things. One is it's been quite challenging to get AI into telecom, primarily because it's been very hard to have AI plus a domain expertise in the same heads, in the same teams, and working together. That's one. And second, I think it's been approached more from a technology angle as opposed from a business side angle, which led to implementations but not growing at scale and not making it to market, which basically defeats the whole purpose, right? So I think these are really the challenges. I think the best way to approach it on the telecom side is looking at it from a reorganization of how things are run within the telecom operator to make use of AI. At the same time, we believe that within the next 2, 3, 4, 5 years, AI will be featured within all the products that are going to be bought and deployed, as opposed to something standalone. So that's how we see it in the telecom space.
I think it's very exciting. I hope we can work together to bring concrete use cases to telecom operators and wholesalers going forward. Guys?
Sure. Yeah. Just one more point, just to build on Riad's comments there. I think that we're seeing a big shift in AI. So until now, we've seen AI used in very practical settings to do traditional tasks of supervised machine learning. So that could be looking at customers and seeing if they're going to churn away from a particular operator and so on. But these are very well structured tasks. And in AI, we're seeing a big shift into the creative zone. People are starting to use AI to generate art, music, movie scripts.
Wow, okay.
And so there's a movie out there, a short movie called Sunspring, that was totally generated. The script was totally generated using deep learning networks. And the shift from just solving practical tasks to more creative side is like stretching for the stars, is pushing AI to a different space. And so we should expect some exciting applications of this creative side of AI in the next 12 to 18 months. And I think it'll be interesting to see how this will play out in the telecommunication industry.
Cool stuff, guys. Thank you so much. Let's do this again soon.
Thank you. Look forward to it.
I hope you continue to have a good Mobile World Congress and tonight as well, Jimmy.
Yes.
So, everyone, thank you for watching, and until my next HotShot.